In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the File tab in Outlook. This simple yet essential task can enhance your productivity and streamline your use of Outlook, ensuring you have quick access to the tools you need most. Let's get started. First, fire up Outlook on your computer. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials. This ensures you're accessing all the features and personal settings associated with your Outlook account. A smooth start here allows you to focus on maneuvering around with ease, ensuring that you have all your seamless access set up. Once you're in, let's direct our attention to the window in front of us. What we want to do next is focus on the top left corner of the window. This area is where you'll find the ribbon, a powerful tool in Microsoft Office applications that organizes commands and features into tabs for easy navigation. Now, within the ribbon, the first thing to notice is the very first tab, labeled File. It's surprisingly easy to overlook if you're not aware, as the default view often emphasizes the Home tab instead. But the File tab is the key to unlocking what Microsoft calls the Backstage view. This is where many important options reside, waiting to be accessed for a variety of tasks. With your mouse, go ahead and click on the File tab. Doing so will transition you smoothly into the Backstage view. This area is like your control center within Outlook. Here, you will find a collection of essential options arranged in an intuitive menu. You'll notice options like Account Info, which provides details about your logged-in account, and Open and Export, where you can handle various data files. There's more with options to save or print your emails or other documents if needed. The Backstage view essentially gives you access to the back end of Outlook. It's where you can manage your account settings, handle data files, control your printing settings, and find so much more regarding the administration of your Outlook application. So now you know finding the File tab and navigating the Backstage view is your new way of accessing those necessary, yet sometimes hard to find functionalities. And there you have it. You've just learned how to locate and explore the File tab in Outlook, giving you newfound access to some of Outlook's most powerful features. Remember, the more familiar you become with these options, the more efficient you'll be in handling your emails and related tasks. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has made Outlook a little bit simpler for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this, and happy emailing!